Hello guys, today I'm going to discuss about benefit of cryptocurrency investing, risk associated with it, and at the same time I'm going to discuss about NETWON cryptocurrency exchange that is based in Canada, and what are its benefit and what are its disadvantages, how to use, and I will give you referral code and discuss about process of installing NETWON. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So what are the benefits of cryptocurrency investing? First one is there is potential for high return. We know that cryptocurrencies have shown significant growth over the years, providing investor with the opportunity for huge profit, and many early investor who invested in Bitcoin made millions of dollars by investing some couples of dollars. Cryptocurrency have experienced tremendous gains. Second, diversification of investment portfolio. Cryptocurrency offer a unique asset class that can diversify your investment portfolio beyond traditional stocks, bonds, and real estate. And by adding cryptocurrency to your portfolio, you can potentially reduce risk through increased diversification. Third benefit is its accessibility and inclusivity. Cryptocurrencies allows individuals from all the walks of life to participate in the global financial ecosystem. They eliminate barriers such as geographical limitation, high transaction fees, and need for intermediaries. And there is transparency and security. Cryptocurrency are built on blockchain technology that provides transparent and secure transaction. Blockchain ensures that transactions are recorded immutably, reducing the risk of fraud and manipulation. And at the same time, there are some risk of cryptocurrency investing. What are these? First one is market volatility. Cryptocurrency price can experience significant fluctuation within short period of time. Guys, cryptocurrency can give you huge return, huge profit, but at the same time you can lose all your money. Next disadvantage is regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies is evolving and can vary across different regulatory geographic areas. Changing regulations or restrictions may impact the value and usage of cryptocurrencies. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges for investing cryptocurrency, and today we are going to discuss about NETWON, and this company is based in Ontario of Canada. Generally it only accepts Canadian users, and hundreds of thousands of Canadians use NETWON to buy and sell crypto and enjoy access to competitive spread and high liquidity and instant verification. And it is also available on mobile devices, and you can easily make trades quickly. Let's discuss what are pros and cons of NETWON. There are several pros, guys. First one is it accepts more than 70 cryptocurrencies, and some of the popular cryptocurrencies that are available on NETWON are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, Matic, Cardano, and Polkadot. Similarly, you can purchase meme coin like Shiba Inu, NETWON, and metaverse coin like Sand, Decentraland, Mana. It is user-friendly platform, and there is no withdrawal and deposit fee associated with NETWON. That means you can deposit your money without any fee, and you can withdraw your money without any fees. What are the cons of NETWON? So first one is it only accept Canadian dollar as a fiat funding. So if you want to deposit money in NETWON to buy any cryptocurrency, you have to deposit only Canadian dollar. It is only available for Canadian users. Second, cons: price spread can be up to 2%. And third cons is it have limited tools. How does NETWON work? NETWON.com offers instant verification, enabling new clients to open an account within minutes and start trading crypto. What are the crypto coins that are available on NETWON? There are various popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, USDC, Bitcoin Chainlink, DAI, Polygon, Stellar. So all these coins are available on NETWON. Is NETWON safe? NETWON cryptocurrency trading platform uses two-factor authentication to protect your account, and it has a partnership with balance of professional third-party custodian to hold client digital assets offline and protect them from fraud. Compare NETWON with ShakePay, NDX, and BitBuy. So guys, to install NETWON, you have to open the link that is given in description, or you can type this web address on your browser, that is web.newton.co/r/3ksp9h, and I'm going to put this description link in my YouTube description section. You can get free $25, but please note that for that you have to deposit 100 Canadian dollar and make transaction on NETWON, that you have to buy any cryptocurrency and sell cryptocurrency worth $100. And to install, you can click the link that is given in description, or you can put this web address by typing in your browser. Once you click the link, you will get this website. You just study terms and condition, click on this terms and condition and click on get my free $25. After that, you will get section where you have to put your email address and password and continue. So you have to verify your email address, guys, to sign up. So guys, there are two methods to install NETWON, and for that you have to choose authentication method. So if you have security key USB, you can go with security key USB, and it requires hardware. But if you have mobile and no security key USB, you can go with a mobile authentication method. So guys, to install NETWON on your device, you need to enroll in multi-factor authentication. This is a new security feature on NETWON for security. So there are two methods for multi-factor authentication on NETWON. First one is MFA with authenticator app. Next one is hardware security key. So for hardware security key, you have to buy security key USB, but if you have no USB security key USB, you can use authenticator in mobile. So you can use many authenticator app that you trust, such as Authy and Google Authenticator. How to set up? So once you log in, email and password, you will be asked to set up MFA. Click on Authenticator app. So you will be given two options, Google Authenticator or similar and security key. So click on Google Authenticator or similar and go to the device on which you have preferred authenticator app installed. If it is not installed, you just go to your device. For example, you can go to the mobile and install Google Authenticator. So once you install Google Authenticator, you can scan a barcode and point the camera of your device towards the QR code. Your device will automatically scan the code, and if you are having issues with scanning QR code, you can also set up your authenticator app manually by clicking the show secret key. Friends, there is a show secret key. So once you will click this option, you will get one code, alphanumeric code, and you can use that code. Just copy the code and go back to your authenticator app and select enter setup key. So you see there are two options. So one is scan or QR code and another is enter a setup key. So if you are having a difficulty to scan QR code, you can use this option, enter a setup key. So in this way you can install MFA, and for security key you just click the security key, and after that name your security key, and you have to plug in your security key to install security key. If you have no security key, mobile authenticator is very useful. So guys, once you set up your multi-factor authenticator, you have to fill other details, like if you put your email and password. After that click on get started. After that you have to put your name, first name, last name, home address, type of occupation you are working, your specific title, your date of birth. So you see friends, there is a sample, and click on submit. So once you click and submit, you just put your email and password to login. After that you have to add fund. So to add fund you have to click on add fund, and by interact transfer put the amount and click on send fund request. Once you click send fund request, you will get interact email in your email, and by when you click the email you will be redirected to your mobile banking or online banking. So just put your username and password of mobile banking and you can send money to NETWON. Similarly, you can start buying and selling, guys. So there is an option called market. You click on that and you can select any cryptocurrencies and you can buy and sell. So this is very easy process, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any confusion you can write in comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.